killed our parents, so we are very angry and suspect everyone who gets in our way. Just please don't kill us.
I won't kill you, at least for now. But the next time you catch someone, you better find out about them before you punish them.
All right, stop talking. Come on, get out of here now. But lowering it was a bad idea. We could have thrown him to the Kraken. He definitely wouldn't have been able to kill him.
Calm down, Bob. I'm sure he had nothing to do with it. Come on, we need to bury our parents.
What the hell, Buck?
Oh shit, I don't know.
Hooray! The Sons are back. Hey, Granny, come here. Look who's here.
Who are you? Freaks.
Mom, don't you recognize us?
Well, I think I recognize Baldy. Damn, what's his name? Recently, my grandpa and I watched a movie with his participation. I think Vin Diesel. Yes, that's right. Vin Diesel.
What? What the hell is Vin Diesel? I'm your son, Bob.
You idiots. You should have seen your faces.
Poof. I thought you really forgot us.
You idiot, Bob. Did you really believe her?
What are you laughing at? I can't remember you.
Hey, can we get down to business? What's next?
By popular demand of our favorite subscribers, in this video, we showed that everything is fine with the Granny family. We'll get some rest, and then we'll take our revenge like never before.
Download my game Grandson